how to log into AutoDs account. So if you want to log into AutoDs account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go for the search and search for AutoDs, register, or you can go for login, which will be easy for you. Once you've searched for AutoDs login, go for the first, and here it will take you to the login page. So you can either log in with your Google, or you can also enter the email address. So enter the email address on the first blank and then enter the password. But if you don't remember your password, go for password help, and then you can reset or recover your password. And once you reset or recover, you can go back to the login page and enter your password, email address, and click on login. So make sure your login information is correct and click on login. Once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.